And welcome everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to edit our regular video for YouTube Shorts or TikTok or other Shorts video platform. If you have a video in this format or in this aspect ratio, this cannot be uploaded as a short video on YouTube Shorts. It may be loaded It may be uploaded to TikTok or other platforms, but YouTube system or the YouTube algorithm will not accept this as a short video. So how to convert this to a short video format? First of all, load your video to Inshot video editor. Mine one is already loaded. You can load your one from this plus icon. Now just select your video. Click over your video, it will be selected. Now click canvas. After clicking the canvas, you can see the selection is to no frame. For YouTube Shorts, if you want to upload this video to YouTube Shorts, just select 4:5 ratio. Select this. Your video will be looking like this. Now there is a option to zoom in, zoom out. You can zoom in and zoom out your video by pinching, or you can use this panel. Zoom in and zoom out your video according to your wish. You can position your video by dragging it to any side of the screen, like this. Position your video wherever you like it for your shot, and you can zoom in out your video from using this option or by pinching. I think for a short video, this is a better zooming and this is a better position. Click OK. Now just click save and save your video in whichever format you like and click save. Your video will be saved in a short video. Now upload your video to YouTube. It will be uploaded as a short video. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.